Begin your day by affirming your prosperity. As soon as you wake up, take a moment to speak positive affirmations to yourself. Say things like, "I am a magnet for abundance," or "Prosperity flows to me effortlessly." These morning affirmations set a powerful tone for your day, aligning your thoughts with the reality of abundance. As you go through your daily routines, maintain this prosperous self-talk. When you encounter challenges, reframe your thoughts to focus on solutions and opportunities rather than obstacles. For instance, if faced with a financial difficulty, tell yourself, "I have the creativity and resources to overcome this," instead of dwelling on lack. Infuse your thoughts with gratitude throughout the day. Regularly remind yourself of the abundance you already possess. Acknowledge the small and large blessings in your life, such as a supportive friend, a job you enjoy, or a beautiful day. Gratitude amplifies your awareness of existing prosperity and invites more into your experience. Visualize your goals as if they have already been achieved and engage in mental dialogues that reflect this reality. Imagine talking to a trusted friend about your successes, describing in detail how you feel, what you have accomplished, and the satisfaction it brings. This mental rehearsal not only strengthens your belief in your goals, but also makes them feel more attainable. Pay attention to your language in everyday conversations, both with others and within your mind. Choose words that convey confidence and abundance. Replace phrases like "I can't afford this" with "I am finding ways to bring this into my life." This shift in language helps to reinforce a mindset of possibility and growth. Surround yourself with influences that support your prosperous mindset. Read books, watch videos, and listen to podcasts that inspire and encourage abundance. Engage in conversations with people who uplift you and share your vision of success. These external sources can help reinforce your internal dialogue of prosperity. Before you go to sleep, reflect on the day with a focus on abundance. Recall moments of success and prosperity, no matter how small. Affirm to yourself that you are proud of your achievements and that you are on a continuous path of growth and prosperity. This practice helps to end your day on a positive note and primes your mind for a successful tomorrow. Consistently practicing an inner speech of prosperity helps to solidify a mindset of abundance. It transforms the way you perceive and interact with the world, making you more attuned to opportunities and more resilient in the face of challenges. This mental discipline becomes a powerful tool in creating a life of wealth and success. To bring your dreams to fruition, it is crucial to align your thoughts and actions with the reality you wish to create. This alignment bridges the gap between your current state and your desired state, enabling you to reflect and attract the abundance you envision. Start by clearly defining your desires. Take time to articulate what abundance means to you, whether it's financial prosperity, vibrant health, fulfilling relationships, or personal growth. Write down your goals in detail, capturing the essence of what you want to achieve. This clarity forms the foundation for aligning your actions and thoughts. Next, examine your current thoughts and behaviors. Are they in harmony with your desires, or do they contradict what you want to achieve? Identify any negative patterns or limiting beliefs that might be holding you back. For example, if you desire financial abundance but frequently think about scarcity or engage in impulsive spending, you need to shift these thoughts and behaviors to ones that support your financial goals. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Affirm to yourself that you are worthy of abundance and capable of achieving your desires. Create positive affirmations that reflect this new mindset, such as "I am capable of achieving financial success," or "I attract positive and supportive relationships." Repeat these affirmations daily to reinforce your new beliefs. Ensure your daily actions reflect your desires. If you seek financial prosperity, engage in activities that support this goal, such as budgeting, saving, and investing wisely. If you desire better health, adopt habits that promote wellness, like exercising regularly and eating nutritious foods. Your actions should be consistent with the reality you wish to create. Surround yourself with environments and people that support your goals. Create a physical space that inspires and motivates you. Spend time with individuals who encourage and uplift you, and who share a similar vision of success. These external influences play a significant role in reinforcing your alignment with your desires. Visualize your goals as already achieved and live as if they are your current reality. When you visualize, immerse yourself fully in the experience, see, feel, and hear everything as if it's happening now. This mental practice helps to align your subconscious mind with your desires, making it easier for you to act in ways that support your goals. Monitor your progress regularly and make adjustments as needed. Reflect on your journey and celebrate your successes, no matter how small. If you encounter obstacles, view them as opportunities to learn and grow. Stay committed to your path, knowing that every step you take brings you closer to your desired reality. Alignment with your desires requires a continuous effort to harmonize your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with the abundance you envision. By maintaining this alignment, you create a powerful synergy that propels you toward your goals, transforming your dreams into reality. Maintaining a consistent mental picture and feeling of abundance is essential for reinforcing and solidifying its presence in your life. This practice involves regularly engaging your imagination to vividly and consistently envision the reality you desire, ensuring that these images and emotions become deeply ingrained in your consciousness. Begin by dedicating time each day to visualize your abundant life. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can relax and focus without distractions. Close your eyes and create a clear, detailed mental image of the life you wish to live. See yourself enjoying the fruits of your success, surrounded by the people, experiences, and possessions that signify abundance to you. The more vivid and detailed your visualization, the more powerful it becomes. Immerse yourself fully in this mental scene. Engage all your senses, see the vibrant colors, hear the sounds, feel the textures, smell the scents, and even taste the flavors associated with your abundant life. Allow the emotions of joy, satisfaction, and gratitude to fill your heart as you experience this reality in your mind. These feelings are crucial as they help to anchor your visualization in your subconscious. Repeat this visualization exercise consistently, ideally at the same time each day. Morning and evening are particularly effective times as your mind is more receptive during these periods. Consistency in your practice helps to reinforce the mental image, making it more real and tangible to your subconscious mind. In addition to dedicated visualization sessions, weave your mental images of abundance into your daily activities. When you perform routine tasks, take a moment to imagine how you would do them if you were living your abundant life. For instance, as you drive to work, visualize yourself driving your dream car. As you prepare meals, imagine you are in your dream kitchen. These small, consistent reminders help to keep your vision alive throughout the day. Use affirmations to support your visualization. Create statements that encapsulate your vision of abundance, such as, "I am surrounded by wealth and prosperity," or "Abundance flows effortlessly into my life." Repeat these affirmations regularly, especially during your visualization sessions, to reinforce your mental image and align your thoughts with your desired reality. Monitor your thoughts and feelings throughout the day. Whenever you catch yourself thinking negatively or feeling doubtful, gently redirect your focus back to your vision of abundance. Remind yourself of the vivid mental images and the emotions you experienced during your visualization exercises. This practice helps to maintain a positive and consistent mental state. Record your progress and reflections in a journal. Write about your visualization experiences, the emotions you felt, and any signs of abundance you notice in your life.